Yes, you have heard this question before. But is it actually hard to make indie games? And the clear cut answer is no, it's not hard. But at the same time, it is. So, in this devlog, I wanted to share some light on this topic, while also showing some progress of the game that we're making. Right now, you should be watching the overall progress of the programming aspect of our game, and you can see that it's very simple stuff. Making it also was simple, was easy, didn't take that much amount of time. What really made it hard was actually determining that we wanted either this option or this other option. If we wanted some type of system replacing another type of system, like that's the part that really took time. And that's exactly what makes indie games hard to make. You're always feeling like you're in a foggy place or that everything is blurry and you're trying to just try things one at a time. It it's very useful to just copy something that works, but at the same time, if you do that, you end up with something very similar, and y- usually you don't want that. It's very easy if you just want to copy a game and just resell it. I cannot assure you that you will sell well, but yeah, I mean, some studios just do that and they make bank with it. But if you are trying a new idea or a combination of different genres, then things change a little bit, right? Because you're trying to take the parts that you like the most and trying to make it your own. And making it your own is like the actual part that can make the game very unique and fun. The thing about it is that, yeah, you're gonna need to iterate on the idea a lot. And that's why in this case we're developing like the mechanics or the system super fast just to test them also super fast. The faster than we can get to a place where we are comfortable with what we are watching, with what we are playing, then yeah, that's actually what speeds up development on the long run. Otherwise, we could spend maybe half a year developing an idea, and at the end, we realize that it's not fun. Yeah, that will be like the worst case scenario because now you need to rework a lot of mechanics. And whenever you rework one mechanic, then you will need to rework probably the whole game. So, yeah, it is hard. It's hard to think about it, it's hard to design it, but no, it's not hard. It's not hard to make it. If you really know what exactly you want to make, then it's not hard. So, having said that, please actually give your favorite indie developers some time to polish their mechanic and test the game so they can bring you a unique game that you will actually really love. Now, there are exceptions to what I'm telling you. There are systems that, of course, if you want to make a massive online multiplayer game, then it's going to be hard to try to balance the server and try to optimize whatever things that you can. But I'm talking more about a true indie perspective, not just an indie that you take like the how how it looks and feel like that indie look and feel. No, I'm just talking about indie developers where they are just like, oh, 3 4 persons on the team and they're just trying to make something really fun, right? So yeah, what you have saw, and I would probably would like to show you more and more in depth. If you have any question of how any of that was made, do leave a comment. And yeah, hopefully I will have more to share in the next videos.